Shoshi. Shoshi, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Say, Mommy, I'm reading. Oh, you're lucky that didn't fall on your foot. Here, Shosh, you want to read? You want to read? Here you go, Shosh. Shoshi, look. Here, put it back. Put it back, Shosh. Put it back. Good. Good. Push it. Push it.
Shoshi, what are you doing? Ay. You feel ringing with the books? You're taking all of Tati's books off the shelf? Yeah. You want to read them? Do you like to read? Are you having trouble getting that one out? Wow! Up to Daisy! Shoshi. Shoshi.
Oh, sorry, Rach. Push it, push it.
What happened? Did the book fall down? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, Shoshi, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye, Shoshi? Oh, that's good. Now you have your books.
No? Shelf number 2.
It's much more exciting when she can stand. Okay, all done.